Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal and in today's video I'm gonna do a very quick makeup look. So it's gonna be very normal, natural, dewy sort of a makeup look, and I'm not gonna use foundation in this look. Also, it's sort of like a no makeup look only, but the thing is that I'm gonna add up a few more things to make it a little bit different from the no makeup look. So yes, if you're interested, so please keep watching. Okay, so I am barefaced and I have only used the Cetaphil face wash. So this is the face wash, and you can use any sort of face wash which you are comfortable with. So yep. Prepping the skin is very important. So first I'm gonna use the moisturizer and everything, and then I'm gonna start off with the makeup. I'm gonna apply a little bit of toner. A little bit of eye cream. Next, I'm gonna apply the moisturizer, the Pond's Light Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. Next, I'm gonna use the Neutrogena Ultra Shield Dry Touch Block SPF 50 sunscreen. Even if you are at home, you should apply sunscreen because it's very important. You should apply more than a layer, like you should apply 2 to 3 layers on your face, but I'm using little bit only because I'm gonna remove it after the video. So there's no use of that. But still I'm gonna apply it because it's important. Next I'm gonna apply the concealer. I'm gonna skip the foundation. So for concealer I have two shades. First I'm gonna apply the darker one. Like the darker one means the one which is my shade. And again I'm gonna overlap with the little lighter one. Always apply it upwards. Okay, so I've tried covering all the parts, like wherever I feel that I need concealing. So I have done over there. And I don't think that I feel like applying the lighter one anymore. Like I can use it a bit, but I don't need it much. And for the neck part, you can use the leftover from the sponge. If you're thinking that if I'm applying the concealer, how will I cover up my neck? Then you can cover up with the sponge because it already has a few leftover in it. So you can cover it up. It's totally normal because you have only concealed. So it won't make much difference on your face. Next, I'm going to use the Fit Me powder. All the details and the numbers and everything will be mentioned in the description. So don't forget to check it out. I'm only going to apply it a little bit of powder because it's pretty cold here, so I don't want that dry flakes on my face. That's all I'm gonna powder, as I have applied the eye cream, so I'm sure that it won't look cakey over there. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty HD Professional Eyeshadow Palette for my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use this color right here. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Cheeks and Eyes palette from Swiss Beauty only. It's not sponsored, guys, okay? And I'm gonna use this one for my liner, as I think that there's a trend going on that instead of the liner, there's a trend to apply it from the eyeshadow, which is amazing. So I'm gonna show you that. It's something you need to start from your end, and you don't have to join it in your starting point. It's just stops in the middle. It's that sort of a liner. You can make accordingly. I'm just doing my style. You can do anything. Next up is mascara. I'm using the Hyper Curl mascara. If you need like a very nice length mascara, you can even apply Vaseline and then use the mascara, or you can use two mascaras. Like one mascara, you need to just separate your lashes, and then you have to use the other mascara to just make it more thick. I'm using one only because I need to make it look very natural. That's all. Next, I'm gonna apply the highlighter, and I just love the highlighter from the Cheeks and Eyes palette. And this is the highlighter, the first one. I just love this highlighter. See, it's so like it is not that yellow. I have seen that much yellow highlighters don't suit me, so I just love this one. Even if you apply more quantity in this highlighter, it still looks like very minimal and less, which I love because I don't like that bright face also, but I just love this one. Can even apply it over here if you want to. And yes, I have not done my brows because I don't think that I should do this. So yeah, you can brush them, and if you feel like you have like less brows or you need to shave them, you can. It's totally normal. I'm gonna line my lips too today only after so long, but it's totally optional. You can just apply your favorite lipstick and it's your wish. The lipstick is from wait, The Body Shop. So yes, that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon, and I see you in the next video. Bye.